What's up everybody? My name is Justin Modest, also known as B-Boy Shua. Today I'm going to show you guys how to elbow lever or turtle freeze. In the breakdance world, it is called the turtle freeze. However, in calisthenics, they call it the elbow lever. I'll show you guys. In breakdancing, you'll tend to see it being done like this. And in calisthenics, they'll do it more straight like this, because they tend to focus on more lines and being straight and form. You really don't need much prerequisite for this move. It will be good that you could do push-ups or maybe frog stands, but I think that you don't necessarily need much strength for this. It's a move where you're really more like you're lying on top of your hands instead of using your hand strength to hold you up. It's not like a planche where all the weight is on your hands. You're literally actually lying on top of your hands. It will be your back and your glute strength to really lift your legs from off the ground. Because when you're here, you're leaning forward and you're lifting with your back and your glutes. Alright, so hand positioning. You all could put your hands to the side or facing backward. So you could put it like this or like this. I recommend these two is the easiest way you could do it and the most common way you would see it. Try it sideways. Really easy. Try it backward. Really easy. Also, so you should just warm up your wrist. So you could do this. Do a couple of these. I'll say about 10. You lean forward. 1. Lean back. Do about 10. Reach as far as you could without making your wrist feel really in pain. Like just stretch, but don't overstretch. So okay. Turn your wrist this way now and press so that you can feel the stretch on your forearm coming up here. You can hold for about 10 seconds. Next side as well. Make sure you're pressing and you're feeling the stretch. For wrist strength, so what you're doing is you're pressing with your palms flat on the ground, but it's like you're pressing your fingers, your fingertips into the ground, and this will allow your palms to raise off of the ground. So you're like this, press with your fingertips, press with your fingertips. This is a good wrist strengthening exercise you could do to be able to do this, because you wouldn't need wrist strength. A good stretch, you could sit like this, put your elbows between and squeeze with your legs like this so that your elbows will meet each other. And you can also bring your hands down like this. It's a good stretch. You can try it. So the move. So I would say the easiest way to start it from your knees. Bring your elbows in. Try to get it around your abs here. One on each side. And you bring it in. Hands down. Ease down, and you do like this. Next, I want you to push with your toes like this and lean forward. Do this for about 15 seconds. Just get familiar with that first, and then you can move on to the third step, which is elbows in, tuck, down, push forward, and lift one foot, switch, 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 switch. So step 4 would be just leaning some more. So check it. Lean. You lean here, right? Step 4, you lean a little more. Now, if you cannot do step 3, step 4 would be maybe very hard for you, because you don't have the the base. You have to have a strong base in order to lean forward more. So you'll just lean in forward more. If you got that, step 4, you actually got the move. If this is too hard for you, if you want to learn it with your legs bent, which is the easiest way, I'm sorry for showing you all this last, but the easier way is doing the same thing, starting the same way, easing your hands down and opening the knees like this. Now, if you could do the first 3 progressions of the last method I showed you, this, what I just did, you would get this on the first try. So, you ease down like this, and you just lift your legs like this. You would get this on your first try if you could at least do the first 3 methods that I show you. If you got that, you could then try moving on to the straddle, which is opening your legs. You're extending your legs from the same tuck or crouch position. You stay here and you extend your legs like this. And if you got that one down, you could probably move on to the straight one now. But the straight one would be you start from the crouch, straddle, and then you go into the full. And if you all got that, give yourself a round of applause. Y'all subscribe, and if you like this video, please leave a like. And if you want, you could comment down below what tutorial you would like to see next. Guys, if you all got this one, I think that you will be able to get the one-arm elbow lever with ease or in no time. So check the description down below, and I'll leave a link to the one-arm elbow lever tutorial for you guys, so you all can elevate from the double-arm elbow lever. So you guys, like, share, subscribe, and good luck.